Hello everyone, welcome to your English class. I hope all of you are taking precautions to save yourself from coronavirus. So be safe and be precautious from coronavirus. So class, in this video we are going to start a new chapter, If I Were You. This is the last chapter of your book Beehive. So let's move on to the introduction of the chapter. Introduction to the lesson. This play is about a playwright named Gerard. How he escapes being killed by an intruder who wants to steal his identity and live peacefully. Gerard fools the intruder, confines him in a cupboard, and finally hands him over to the sergeant. So here you can see that two main characters are here and the overall story is been revolving around them. So let's move on to the character sketch of those. First main character is Gerard, the protagonist of If I Were You. He is portrayed as a man of many virtues. He is endowed with a brilliant wit, a sharp mind, smart thinking, and a sense of humor. He writes, acts, and provides props for plays. He is a refined and a cultured man who keeps him cool even in the most difficult situations. So here you can see the character sketch of Gerard. The next one is Intruder. He is a villainous scoundrel, a confirmed criminal who makes intriguing plans to dodge the police. He has evil intentions and crafty plans. To achieve his aims, he does not hesitate from murdering innocent people for his selfish gains. So let's move on to the summary of the chapter. By this, you will get the overall view of the chapter. Gerard was a playwright. He had to leave his house to deliver props for a rehearsal. Just then, an intruder entered his home. He was carrying a gun. He wanted to kill Gerard and live on his identity. The intruder had committed a murder and was wanted by the police. So he thought of stealing Gerard's identity so that he could live peacefully. He wanted to know details about Gerard before killing him so that he could imitate him well. Gerard said that he was a crook too, and that if the intruder stole his identity, even then he would be chased by the police. He had killed someone and the police had evidence against him. He further added that he was carrying false mustaches and other props so that he could disguise himself and hide from the police. He sensed that the police could raid his house that night. He had positioned an accomplice on the road to warn him of danger. Gerard fooled the intruder to believe him by saying that if the intruder felt that Gerard was lying, he could kill him. As the phone rang, Gerard said that it was time to leave. When the intruder did not believe Gerard, he asked him to peep out through the door of the garage and see the police for himself. In fact, the door was that of a cupboard. As the intruder bent forward, Gerard pushed him inside the cupboard and locked it. Then he called the surgeon as he would hand over the intruder to the police. So here you can see how the story has been revolving around these two characters and the conversation between them, how they are taking benefits of each other, right? So the overall view of the chapter I hope has been clear to you. If we are going to see the conclusion of the chapter, to sum up, If I Were You summary, we learn that we must never be overconfident and try to be alert at all times because intellect and cool headedness can help us go a long way. Means here we are going to have a conclusion that we must never be overconfident. We always remain ourselves patient, right? We always we have to maintain our patience and we have to keep ourselves cool minded so that we can move smartly and we can use our mind. Whenever we have to do something, whenever we have to take a direction, whenever we have to take a move, we always have to move smartly and we have to maintain our patience so that we can go in a right direction and we can go a long way. we can cover a long path. So I hope the explanation has been clear to you for this chapter, and the overall view of the chapter has been understood by you. So that's it for this video. Till then, have a great day. Thank you for watching.